Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. In this session, we are going to discuss a solution on accept the x and y coordinates of 2 points and will compute the distance between the 2 points. So we will find out the distance between 2 points. So before calculating this, let us understand exactly what we need to calculate. Let us consider x and y axis. This is x axis and it is a y axis. And of course, this is a minus y and this is minus x. Four quadrants are there. Now, let us consider, suppose if I want to calculate a distance from, for example, some x and y position. This is some position, right? With this point will be located in some particular location. For example, let's say, just for the example, we'll consider, I'll take the help of this brush here. This point is, let us consider x-axis is for example 2 and y-axis let us consider as a 1. So this point would be 2 comma 1 and this point would be, let us consider it is a 6 and y-axis would be, let us consider this as a fourth point. So the point would be, coordinates would be 6 and 4. So now I want to calculate the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so these points are, this is nothing but x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So we need to calculate the distance between now these two, for example point A to point B, right? And we know that we have the formula to find out the distance between 2 points. Okay, what is that formula? Let us first check that one. Okay, the formula is very simple. Distance equals to, I'll make the square root later because I have to find out the symbol here, but let us will concentrate on the formula x2 minus x1, right, square plus y2 minus y1 and again whole square. Little bit mathematical background will require here to find out the distance between 2 points, and this is nothing but it is a square root of, that means like this. This is the formula to calculate a distance between 2 points. Once you know the points and once you know the formula, it's easy to find out the distance here. So let us consider, suppose here if we put the values, what is my x2 here? X2 is 2. Okay. So things would be like this, 2 minus x1 is what? This is my x1, 6. So 6 square, then plus, then again bracket. What is the value? 1 minus, what is the value? 4. Right? Again square. And after calculating this, we need to calculate the square root of these numbers. So whatever the value we will get, that would be nothing but the distance of between 2 points. As simple as that, to find out the distance between 2 points. So here if I want to calculate x and y coordinate, so whenever I'm talking about x, that means what here? X2 minus x1, And whenever I'm talking about y coordinate, that is nothing but y2 minus y1. This is also simple funda. So you first better calculate x2 minus x1, then you can find out. Of course, this is the square, so double we need to repeat this x2 minus x1 again, and then we can store the value here, then here, and directly you can take the square root of this also. How you are going to evaluate, that is your point, but only the thing is what we need to put these all values inside this formula. So let us implement this simple program using a dev C++ edit. So commit would be distance between the 2 points. Okay. Now hash include stdio dot h void main. Now we need to find out, either you can take integer values or float values. Generally what happen, these are the coordinates. Okay. So there might be the chance of like floating values are there, like 1.2, 2.3, like that. So better to take floating values. So how many values we are going to take here? X1, X2, Y1, comma, Y2, and one variable which hold the distance of this particular variable. Okay. So we are writing here to print. Now we want to take the coordinates of first point. So please enter coordinates of point A, right? That is x1, comma y1, right? Scanf, these are the float values. Two coordinates are going to be entered. So percent f, comma address of x1, comma address of y1. Okay, I can take these two things, copy, will paste here, right? The coordinates of point B now. Okay, so this would be x2, this would be y2, this would be x2, this would be y2. So all coordinates we have got it. Okay. The thing is what, if you want to calculate x and y, you can take separate variables also, like x comma y, and here you can put like x is equals to, we know that the formula is what, x2 minus x1. We need to find out the square of this particular thing. So again we'll take the same, right? So it will give the square root of a square of this x2 minus x1 value. Then similarly we'll take y equals to y2 minus y1 into same values, c y2 minus y1, like that. Now we know the formula. The formula is what? Distance equals to square root of. Now here you cannot take directly that symbol square root of. So we are having inbuilt some function, mathematical function, that is sqrt. In the bracket we will give the values of what? X plus y, square root of x plus 5. Now what exactly mean by x here? X means this entire term. Already the value will be calculated and stored in the x. Similarly y. Okay, so sqrt is the mathematical function. So whenever you're using this sqrt inbuilt function, this is a library function. So these functions are stored somewhere in the header files, different header files, and that header files is nothing but include math.h, because it's a mathematical related function. So it will store in the distance. So finally we'll print printf distance between 2 points, that is A and B is float percent f, and here we'll place the variable. That's all. Control S. We'll save this program. Distance between 2 points. Enter. If I'll execute, include spelling is misspelled here. That's all. Include. Please enter the coordinates of x1 and y1. So let us enter the same coordinate whatever we have seen here. X1, y1, that is 6 and 4. So 6 and 4. Then please enter the coordinates of x2 and y2. So they are 2 and 1. So I'll enter 2 and 1. If I enter here, see, this is the distance between these two points. Okay, so it's giving a number of decimal. After decimal point, we are giving, it is giving 5 numbers or 6 digits. It's a by default. Okay, if you want to reduce that numbers, right, we have the one formula here. What is that formula? Just to put after percent f, after percent, 0.2. That means after decimal I only want 2 digits. Okay, if I'll enter, what was the value? Just will take again 6 4 and 2 1. So 6 4 and 2 1. See, now you have got the distance between two endpoints are 5. So that's it. It's very easy. Now I hope you have understood. We have seen the formula here, this one, right? See, I've taken this value as x separately, right? And I've taken this y value separately, and I've put it in this formula like x plus y only. Otherwise, you want to take this, so the formula will be little lengthy, right? That also you can perform here. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If you liked it, please do subscribe and keep watching. Till then, bye bye.